So monstera, that is so flower that is so bad smell. Yes, its flower is a bad smell. But we had the top. We had the top. But this plant that can be growing in the on the rainy season. Yes. So we look the kind of the monstera. Yes. See, very nice. But and also they can take the its tops inside the root. They can make them traditional medicine as well. So it's not growing all the season. Yes, we depend on the season. Raining season is growing, but when finish the rainy season is gone, a leaf and gone, just empty, look empty. But when it's raining coming, and then it's growing again. But I always this plant I always cut. Yes, I always cut down. I always cut when we trim the grass, and then we we trim this plant as well. So I will take it smell, bad smell, very smell. So very bad smell, you see. But looks when you look so far, when you far away from this and see and look good and beautiful, like attractive people. Yes. Impression, look impression. Yeah. So when you see close, and then it's not nice. Okay. So thank you for all of you always support my channel that garden technicals. Yes, garden technical channel. Yeah. But you see the plant, the insects not eat. You see, we always growing by itself, dependent, yeah, on its dependent. So see, it's not insect eat. So very green, look green. So very nice, very nice. See, it's the grower. It's great flower. It's great flower. You see. Okay, thank you, bye bye.